let's talk about SEIS, the seismometer instrument that is part of the InSight mission and will be the first placed on the ground as the deployment process proceeds. When you look at the panoramic selfie that we took of InSight, it's the copper hexagon that you see here. That hexagon contains a very complex array of seismometers and support equipment. And it was built by CNES, the French space agency, along with a consortium of other institutions such as the Institut de Physique du Globe de Paris, the Imperial College London, and many others. Within the seismometer, there are the VBBs, the very broadband seismometers. If you go to this website, seis-insight.eu, and follow this path, you can get to an interactive VBB demonstration that allows you to play around with it. This whole thing is a little bit bigger than the size of my fist, and we have 3 of them. There are the 3 of them right there, packed into this volume. Now, they're sort of inverted pendulums that are responsive to the movements of the ground, and an electromagnetic pickup coil senses those motions. They're very sensitive, though, and they must be protected even from the Martian atmosphere, which, though thin, is not thin enough. So that's placed inside of an evacuated container that is held at very high vacuum. This is about the size of a volleyball. On the outside of it, there are these 3 little things, about a little bit smaller than a deck of cards. Those are the SP seismometer, the short period seismometers. Another device built on a separate technology, much like the accelerometers in your phone. So a total of 6 seismometers packaged together in this very small volume and suitable for spaceflight. There's a leveling system on the outside that lets us orient the seismometer precisely against the gravity vector, which is ideal. And then we have this hexagon, which is an aerogel insulation shield. It protects the sensitive electronic components from fluctuations in temperature, which are quite substantial on Mars. So go to seis-insight.eu and you'll get a lot more information about SEIS. And in a little while, we should be on the ground listening for Marsquakes.